Mercury is named after the messenger of the Roman god, because even the ancient could see how swift and fleeting it is in the sky. But it wasn't until recently that scientists began unraveling Mercury's many mysteries. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is also the closest one to the Sun, only about 36 million miles away. It usually cannot be seen easily. The only time to see Mercury from the Earth is during the twilight of sunrise or sunset. However, Mercury can be seen. It shines brightly. Although it is the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest. Because it has almost no atmosphere, the heat comes from the Sun quickly escapes back into the space. It only has a very thin exosphere. This exosphere is made up of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium wiped up from the planet's surface by solar wind. The lack of atmosphere and the close proximity to the Sun also makes Mercury a planet of extremes. Mercury has no moons of its own, and it has no rings. In appearance, Mercury closely resembles our moon. Mercury consists of approximately 70% metallic and 30% silicate materials. Because of this, Mercury's density is the second highest in the solar system at 5.427 gram per centimeter cube, only slightly less than the planet with the greatest density, Earth, at 5.515 gram per centimeter cube. Its surface gravity is only 3.7 meter per square. Mercury's proximity to the Sun is also the reason behind its age-old reputation of being swift and fleeting. The Sun's gravity pulls harder on Mercury than any other planet, and like all other planets, Mercury travels in an elliptical orbit, slowing down when it's further away from the Sun and accelerating on coming closer. Mercury slings around the Sun in just 88 days. Although Mercury orbits Sun much more quickly than the Earth, it takes much longer for it to rotate. Mercury only rotates once every 59 days. One distinctive thing we should notice about Mercury is this huge crater on its surface, Caloris Basin, with a diameter of 1,550 km. The surface temperature of Mercury are very different. The subsolar point reaches about 400 degrees Celsius, while on the dark side of the planet, the temperature averages minus 163 degrees Celsius. So far, Mercury has been visited by two spacecrafts, NASA's Mariner 10 and Messenger. Those missions gave us much of what we know today, but further ventures are in the works with high hopes of revealing more of Mercury's secrets.